Hello, our beautiful viewers, subscribers and fans. You are all welcome to our channel. Now we will be sharing easy and simple method of making spaghetti bolognese at home. So sit back and relax. As you enjoy, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video. Creating a homemade spaghetti bolognese is a delightful culinary endeavor that brings the comforting flavors of Italy to your kitchen. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from crafting a rich and flavorful bolognese sauce to cooking perfect al dente spaghetti. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be able to make a delicious spaghetti bolognese that will impress everyone. Table of contents. 1. Introduction to spaghetti bolognese. 2. Ingredients needed. 3. Equipment required. 4. Making the bolognese sauce. 5. Cooking the spaghetti. 6. Serving and enjoying. 7. Variations and flavor ideas. 8. Storage and reheating tips. 9. Troubleshooting common issues. 10. Conclusion. 1. Introduction to spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese, or spag bol, as it's affectionately known, is a classic Italian pasta dish that has become a staple in kitchens around the world. Originating from the city of Bologna in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy, bolognese sauce is a rich and hearty meat sauce made with tomatoes, ground meat, onions, carrots, celery, and a variety of herbs and spices. When served over cooked spaghetti noodles and topped with grated Parmesan cheese, it creates a comforting and satisfying meal that is perfect for any occasion. 2. Ingredients needed. To make spaghetti bolognese, you'll need the following ingredients. For the bolognese sauce: 1. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 carrot, finely diced. 5. 1 celery stalk, finely diced. 6. 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef or a combination of beef and pork. 7. 1 can, 14 ounces, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes. 8. 1 can, 6 ounces, 170 grams, tomato paste. 9. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, beef or vegetable broth. 10. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 11. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 12. 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. 13. Salt and pepper to taste. 14. Pinch of sugar, optional, to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. For the spaghetti: 1. 12 ounces, 340 grams, dried spaghetti noodles. 2. Salt for cooking pasta. 3. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese for serving. 3. Equipment required. To make spaghetti bolognese, you'll need the following equipment. 1. Large skillet or saucepan. Use a large skillet or saucepan to cook the bolognese sauce. 2. Wooden spoon or spatula. A wooden spoon or spatula is essential for stirring the sauce as it cooks. 3. Pot for boiling pasta. Use a large pot to cook the spaghetti noodles. 4. Colander. A colander is needed to drain the cooked pasta. 5. Serving bowl or plates. Use a large serving bowl or individual plates to serve the spaghetti bolognese. 6. Grater. Use a grater to grate fresh Parmesan cheese for serving. 4. Making the bolognese sauce. The first step in making spaghetti bolognese is preparing the rich and flavorful bolognese sauce. Here's how to do it. 1. Heat olive oil. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or saucepan over medium heat. 2. Sauté onions and garlic. Add the finely chopped onion to the skillet and cook for 3-4 minutes until softened. 2. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes until fragrant. 3. Add vegetables. Add the finely diced carrot and celery to the skillet and cook for 5-6 minutes until softened. 4. Brown the meat. Push the vegetables to the side of the skillet and add the ground beef or a combination of beef and pork to the center. 4. Cook the meat, breaking it apart with a wooden spoon or spatula, until browned and cooked through. 5. Combine ingredients. Stir the cooked vegetables and meat together in the skillet. 5. Add the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, beef or vegetable broth, dried oregano, dried basil, dried thyme, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar, if using. 5. Stir to combine all the ingredients. 6. Simmer the sauce. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer uncovered for 30–40 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it thickens and the flavors meld together. 6. Taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. 5. Cooking the spaghetti. While the bolognese sauce is simmering, you can cook the spaghetti noodles. Here's how to do it. 1. Boil water. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil over high heat. 2. Add spaghetti. Add the dried spaghetti noodles to the boiling water, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. 3. Cook until al dente. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until it is al dente, which means it is cooked through but still slightly firm to the bite. 4. Drain pasta. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it in a colander, reserving a small amount of pasta cooking water if needed. 6. Serving and enjoying. Once the bolognese sauce and spaghetti noodles are ready, it's time to serve and enjoy this delicious meal. Here's how to do it. 1. Combine sauce and pasta. Add the cooked spaghetti noodles to the skillet with the bolognese sauce. 1. Toss the pasta and sauce together until the noodles are evenly coated. 2. Serve. Divide the spaghetti bolognese among serving plates or bowls. 2. Top each serving with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. 3. Garnish. Garnish with fresh basil leaves or chopped parsley for added flavor and presentation. 4. Serve immediately. Serve the spaghetti bolognese hot and enjoy it with crusty bread or a simple green salad on the side. 7. Variations and flavor ideas. While classic spaghetti bolognese is delicious on its own, you can get creative and customize the recipe with different ingredients and flavors. Here are some ideas to inspire you. 1. Vegetarian option. Substitute the ground meat with cooked lentils, mushrooms, or crumbled tofu for a vegetarian version of spaghetti bolognese. 2. Add vegetables. Increase the vegetable content by adding diced bell peppers, zucchini, or eggplant to the bolognese sauce. 3. Spicy version. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a splash of hot sauce to the bolognese sauce for a spicy kick. 4. Wine-infused sauce. Deglaze the skillet with a splash of red wine after browning the meat for added depth of flavor. 5. Creamy bolognese. Stir in a splash of heavy cream or half and half at the end of cooking for a creamy bolognese sauce. 6. Fresh herbs. Add chopped fresh basil, parsley, or oregano to the bolognese sauce for a burst of freshness and color. 8. Storage and reheating tips. If you have any leftovers, which is unlikely, here are some tips for storing and reheating spaghetti bolognese. 1. Store leftovers. Allow the spaghetti bolognese to cool completely, then transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. 2. Freeze for later. Spaghetti bolognese can also be frozen for longer storage. 2. Transfer cooled leftovers to a freezer-safe container or resealable plastic bag and freeze for up to 3 months. 3. Reheat in the microwave. To reheat individual servings of spaghetti bolognese, place them in a microwave-safe dish and heat on medium power for 1–2 minutes, or until warmed through. 4. Reheat on the stove. Alternatively, you can reheat the spaghetti bolognese on the stove over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until warmed through. 4. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. 9. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced cooks may encounter challenges when making spaghetti bolognese. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Sauce too thin. If the bolognese sauce is too thin, continue simmering it uncovered over low heat until it thickens to your desired consistency. 2. Sauce too thick. If the bolognese sauce is too thick, add a splash of water, broth, or reserved pasta cooking water to thin it out to your liking. 3. Overcooked pasta. To prevent overcooking the pasta, be sure to follow the package instructions and cook it until it is al dente. 3. Immediately drain the pasta to stop the cooking process. 4. Bland flavor. If the bolognese sauce lacks flavor, try adding additional herbs, spices, or salt to enhance the taste. 4. You can also stir in a splash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce for added depth of flavor. 4. Conclusion. Making spaghetti bolognese at home is a rewarding and satisfying experience that allows you to enjoy the comforting flavors of Italy in the comfort of your own kitchen. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, you'll be able to create a delicious and flavorful spaghetti bolognese that will impress everyone. Whether enjoyed as a cozy weeknight dinner or served at a dinner party, spaghetti bolognese is sure to become a favorite meal in your household. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the deliciousness of homemade spaghetti bolognese. Buon appetito! Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel, as subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.